Hey guys, it's Bubba here with Dreamscapes, and today we have traveled to Oxford, Mississippi, where we're fixing to build a little 12 by 15 koi pond, a little 10-foot stream. It's going to be housing some koi. The people have just recently bought the house, and they had an old pond at their old house, and they're wanting a new place for the koi. Let's see what the area that we got here and what we're going to be able to do. Right here is the slate area that we have to work with. We have here, they've got their chairs all set up and ready. Pond's going to be over in here, a little waterfall stream coming down. Pond's going to be in that area right there. It's going to be a nice little project. Look forward to getting her done. All right, starting to dig it out, shape it up. A little more digging to do. Skimmer going in. We got delayed a little bit and have to create a shelf over here because we found ourselves a phone wire or cable. Anyway, we've got the waterfall over here. It's gonna be coming down, cascading down through there, off into the pond. Once we get it wrapped up, we'll be stoning here shortly. Well, there's a little bit of tough ground. Got a little bit dug out. Got a little more digging to do tomorrow. Waterfall's taking shape. Starting to bring some stone around to the back. Nice little pile.
Oh no, please don't!
Is it heavy, Darian?
I love my dog.
A pretty boulder. Okay, we got done clipping that out. Day 2, rain last night. It was a muddy mess. Muddy mess. It ain't looking much better today. Starting to rain on us now, so we'll see how far we get. Stretching the liner out, fitting it up. Cold, wet, rainy day. Darian bundled up like an Eskimo over there. Stone going in. Looking good. Got the size of that boulder David's picked up. Set in there. Hercules, Hercules. Check out how muddy it is today. Still got to bring a couple more tons of stone back, but flex it for us, Dave. What happened, David?
Boo-boo injury.
You got a boo-boo?
Little blood there.
Oh, look at a lot of blood. Could be dangerous. Nurse Caitlin took care of it, they said. Hey guys, it's Bubba here again. It is cold, wet, and it's been raining. It's 56 degrees and starting to sprinkle again. Just showed up here this afternoon to check to see what the guys got going on. As you can kind of get a glimpse of just how muddy it is. Man, that is nasty. See what kind of progress we got going back here. Oh, we have guest star Axel Rose here today. Making a guest appearance. With his hip waders on. We'll fly fishing when we get done. So you get the makings of a pretty waterfall going. Gorgeous. Nice little waterfall rock. What you got there, Darian?
A little tiny baby toad.
What if it jumped on the camera?
No.
Kiss him, Caitlin. Caitlin, you gotta kiss him. Kiss the froggy.
I'm scared it's gonna jump now.
Kiss the froggy.
It jumped.
Hey guys, we're back in Oxford today. We had a long weekend. It rained a lot over the first part of the project. We're getting a few plants together, a few stones together. It's freaking muddy still. A lot of mud and water being held up over here. We'll see if we can't wrap this thing up today. Definitely a muddy mess though. David back here washing some stuff off. Not looking too bad back here. All right, getting there washed down, getting ready. Got a little touching up to do here and there. We're gonna come in here and put a few plants to kind of add a little spice to the backyard, freshen it up a little bit. Put a few plants around the berm and get done dressing it all up. We'll see what she looks like. Be back here shortly. Had to come to the other house to pick up some fish. We built the whole pond just for these fish here, so we're gonna see what exactly they look like. We'll pick them up and transfer them over to this other house. All right, we're over here at the new old house. We gotta transport these baby boys to their new home. Are you done stirring the son of a buck? You're gonna start to splash out.
What we have here are some big fish.
Get a net. I'll start at least put them.
Oh yeah, this is gonna be good right here. I guess he does fit in a shark net.
There, he said he did.
Got a live one. Successful fishing operation.
Got her. All right. You come back here next week or so and clean this muddy mess up. But we got her wrapped up. And here is the masterpiece. We'll koi transport it over. Water will clear on up here in the next day or two. Turned out to be a very nice project. Hey guys, thanks for joining us today, and if you found any value in anything you saw here or just enjoyed it, hit that like button or just check us out at www.midsouthponds.com. Tell a buddy and share it with a friend. Until next time.